Alright, so as you can tell from our last few videos, I've already started our game plan on expanding our channel's niche outside just mechanical keyboards. And a lot of you are asking me to review or at least feature audio devices as well, so that's exactly what we are going to do today. In this video, I'm going to share with you a dedicated unboxing and features overview of the Marshall Acton 3. The Marshall Acton 3 features an iconic, stylish, and premium-looking design with vegan materials, brass control knobs, signature Marshall script, and build quality that can last for a very long time, all made from sustainable 70% recycled materials. But not only that, it also comes with the Marshall signature sound quality and now offers an even wider soundstage than its predecessor. Honestly, if I need a single speaker for my room or my desk setup, I'll take this over a soundbar any time of the day. Here, let me show you around. Let's get into it. Upon opening the box, as you can tell, the Marshall Acton 3 is well protected by a cardboard cover and a soft foam sleeve. We have a couple of paperwork, the legal and safety guide, and the quick start guide. And lastly, we have a power cable. As you can tell, the Marshall Acton 3 features the iconic Marshall design with a combination of vegan leather, woven fabric, the Marshall script, and some brass accents and control knobs. The design, build quality, and most especially the attention to detail are really outstanding here. In front, we have the familiar woven fabric with the Marshall script. On the side, we have the vegan leather surface. And at the back, we have the bass reflex port, some technical details, and the power port. Up top, we have our brass controls and knobs. We have a 3.5mm auxiliary port, a mode button, 3 knobs for adjusting the volume, bass, and treble, a 3-way media playback joystick, and the power switch. We also have some LED indicators around the knobs, which is nice. You can control the media playback via these physical dials or use the Marshall app and control it via Bluetooth, which is really convenient. So inside the application, we have the equalizer wherein you can adjust the bass and treble. And then of course, we have the media playback, and you can also switch between Bluetooth and auxiliary modes right here, and of course adjust the volume levels. But what's important here is the placement compensation, wherein you can tell the application where your speaker is specifically located, and then it will automatically adjust the sound output to compensate with the placement of your Bluetooth speaker. Aside from that, I believe you can also update the firmware right here, which is pretty awesome. So it is a very intuitive app, easy to use, and there is a nifty feature inside this that you don't have on the actual Bluetooth speaker itself. Overall, it is a very simple and intuitive wireless speaker that doesn't get in the way of your listening experience while also offering a piece of art in your living space. Now, I'm not gonna pretend that I know a lot of things when it comes to audio devices, especially when it comes to audiophile level stuff, but I can honestly tell you that the Marshall Acton 3 sounds really good for what it offers. It has a rich sound signature leaning towards the warmer side with clear vocals and an overall pleasing mid-range. The highs are well controlled even at higher volume level, just don't push it at max. What strikes me the most though is the punchy bass without being too mushy. All of these are adjustable via the control knobs or the application. Here's a quick sound test for you guys.
Should I be scared? The feeling's so different now. You got me floating here, a feather in the air. Oh, but when the wind blows, will I tumble or sail away? Or would you have me stay? And what if I escape? I know I'm spinning in a vicious cycle. I'm scared of doing something.
The Nothing Phone 2, in my honest opinion, now offers an ample amount of upgrades, not just in terms of hardware specifications and performance, but also a bunch of new actual usable features in terms of its software. Overall, the sound quality should be the least of your concern. I think most people will be pleased by the sound signature of this speaker, especially those who prefer a good amount of low-end and punchy bass. It's not the most affordable Bluetooth speaker out in the market at around 18,990 Philippine pesos, and for sure, there are cheaper alternatives with comparable sound quality. But what you're getting here is a premium-looking audio device that is built to last, something that you can be proud of showcasing in your living space. And there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching. This one is from Digital Walker, which is an authorized dealer of Marshall products here in the Philippines. Make sure to use the links below because there are a lot of fake stores right now. Honest disclaimer, Digital Walker sent this for review, but this is not sponsored or paid aside from the product seeding. And the good thing about Digital Walker is that they really don't care about what I'm gonna say on my videos. They don't require me to show them the video prior to release, and just generally help me create content organically, which is why I often feature products from them on this channel. Now, I'm also planning on making more videos about audio devices like microphones, speakers, and possibly streaming gears, so let me know in the comments below if you're interested in that. Thank you for watching, subscribe if you like this, and see you next time. Have a great day, guys. You're awesome.